A little child sees a piece of cake on the table. One part of him wants to grab it and eat it immediately. Another part tells him to wait until after dinner. And yet, another part whispers that maybe it's wrong to take it without asking. This simple moment, Freud will say, reveals the three forces inside all of us: the ID, the ego, and the superego. Together, they shape personality and guide how children grow. The ID is present from birth. It seeks immediate pleasure and satisfaction. You can think of it as the I want it now part of personality. For example, a baby cries loudly until fed. No patience, no compromise. The ego develops as children interact with the world. It works on the reality principle, balancing desires and reality. It helps children figure out how to get what they want in a realistic way. For example, the same child who wants the cake waits until after dinner because they learned that grabbing it now would lead to trouble. The superego develops as children learn morals, rules, and values. It acts as a conscience, guiding them to do what's right even if it is difficult. For example, a child feels guilty for lying about eating a cookie when they know it was wrong. Freud believed that healthy development occurs when the ID, ego, and superego are in balance. If there is too much ID, it will lead to impulsive and selfish behavior. Too much superego results overly rigid, guilty feelings, and a strong ego. It results realistic, flexible, well-adjusted personality. In short, ID represents pleasure. I want it now. Ego represents reality. I will get it, but in a safe way. Superego represents morality. Is this right or wrong? Even small everyday decisions, like whether to take a piece of cake, show how these three forces shape behavior. Freud's psychoanalytic theory reminds us that personality develops through constant negotiation between desires, reality, and morals. And that little child with the cake? That's all of us, every day, negotiating between what we want, what we can do, and what we should do.